Alrighty, perform a very unscientific test. In front of us we have Fastrack, Tubular track, like Lionel. This is actually a K-line, which is very similar. And we have Realtrax. And the question always comes up, which one's quieter, or which is the quietest, or what could you do about it, all that kind of stuff. So I'm fixing to be building a new layout, and I just wanted to perform a little test here. So I've got an old 027 Lionel caboose, and I'll try to be quiet so you can hear this with no sounds or locomotives or nothing, to see if we can figure out which one is the quietest. So I'm just going to do this real fast at first on these track. So here we go. Hopefully that sound picked up. Now we put it on the Fastrack, the Realtrax. Definitely louder. And last we put it on Fastrack. That is, to me, the loudest of all three. So we'll do it slow. Not too bad. Slow on the Realtrax. A little bit lower pitched, not quite so high, and of course in Tubular. If I can get it on the track. Here we go. Well, that's definitely the quietest, and obviously I don't have Atlas track here, and I think it would probably be even quieter because it's a solid metal rail, but I don't know for sure. So that's just a very unscientific noise test, because before I built my layout with Fastrack, and it was sometimes ungodly loud. So if you like a happy medium, maybe the Realtrax. And if you find Tubular, obviously it's harder to find a K-line with this super snap track, but it looks pretty good and it's the quietest. So there you go. For what that's worth, I searched YouTube looking for something about noise, and didn't really find what I was looking for, so I thought I'd do this myself. So if you got any comments about it, let me know. Thanks.